Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two CRM platform, which is SugarCRM and Salesmate. So to get started with the quick review, SugarCRM is an enterprise-grade customer relationship management platform known for its powerful automation, customization, and AI-driven insight. It is best for medium to large organization that needs a scalable and a robust CRM with deep analytics and a flexible deployment. Then talking about Salesmate on the other side, is a modern user-friendly CRM built for small to mid-sized businesses and a sales teams. It focuses on simplicity and sales automation together with built-in communication tools, making it a great all-in-one sales platform with a strong pipeline visibility. So talking about what these two platforms are best for, starting with this SugarCRM. SugarCRM is best for mid to large businesses needing a advanced automation with AI insight and a deep CRM customization. Now I'm talking about the Salesmate on the other side. This platform is also best for small to mid-sized sales teams looking for a lightweight and all-in-one CRM built in for calling and emails. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms. Thanks.